Brighton-based SkyDefense LLC has announced the development of a cutting-edge aerial defense system designed to neutralize hostile drones with speed and precision. The newly revealed CobraJet platform is an AI-driven electric VTOL interceptor built for rapid response in high-risk zones, offering protection for national borders, military outposts, vital infrastructure, and sensitive civilian sites. The CobraJet's streamlined design blends agility with stealth, leveraging solid-state lithium batteries from Amprius to achieve long operational ranges while keeping noise and heat emissions exceptionally low, making detection by enemy sensors far more difficult. Its AI-enhanced flight control is powered by Auterion systems and NVIDIA processing units, integrated with Teledyne FLIR EO/IR optics for instant threat recognition and targeting. The aircraft's weapons loadout can be customized to include interceptor missiles, micromunitions, fragmentation charges, or mission-specific payloads such as guided bombs and loitering ordnance for engaging sea or land-based targets. SkyDefense Visual Real-Time Area Monitoring (VRAM) command suite links operators with CobraJet units via secure, low-latency communications, supporting both autonomous missions and direct human oversight. When deployed in numbers, these drones can function as a coordinated swarm, sharing sensor data and executing synchronized interceptions. Equipped with smart vision navigation and anti-jamming safeguards, CobraJet maintains operational capability in GPS-denied zones and high electronic warfare environments. The system directly addresses the growing vulnerability of traditional air defense networks to small, inexpensive UAVs. Capable of vertical takeoff from confined spaces, CobraJets can be positioned on rooftops, remote outposts, or even small naval decks, enabling coverage where fixed radar and missile systems fall short. In urban environments, they could safeguard events or government buildings. In combat, they could protect advancing forces or deny enemy drone reconnaissance. At sea, they could extend a vessel's defense perimeter far beyond radar range. Potential adopters include armed forces seeking to modernize air defense with a low-cost, mobile anti-drone layer, Homeland Security agencies tasked with protecting strategic sites, and border patrol units operating in remote sectors. The system also appeals to special forces and naval operators who require deployable, versatile counter-UAV capabilities. The unveiling of CobraJet comes amid a surge in global demand for counter-drone technology, intensified by lessons from conflicts such as the war in Ukraine, where drones have proven decisive in both surveillance and strike roles. Military planners are now investing heavily in systems that can detect and destroy UAVs across multiple threat tiers, with AI-powered platforms emerging as a critical new category of defense hardware. SkyDefense President Nick Verini highlighted CobraJet's scalability, noting that squadrons could be deployed as a cost-effective shield against both single-drone intrusions and large-scale swarm attacks. A mobile variant integrates the VRAM system into tactical and armored electric vehicles for rapid repositioning. Field trials at the Pendleton U.S. test site later this year will put CobraJet through realistic combat simulations to validate its capabilities in contested airspace.